Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons and I'm back with another video, and in this one we are going to go over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons that we just received on our accounts this morning, plus we've got some new glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that within the last 24 hours, I have already uploaded two other Dollar General videos that you definitely need to go and watch. The first one being a run glitch, and the second one, which I uploaded really late last night, was my clearance event haul round 2, and in that video we talk about a lot of different things. So definitely go and check those out if you haven't already. I will have them both linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Look at the time. It is almost 7 o'clock. I have to be at the store as soon as those doors open to see if that run glitch is still working. So let's jump in. Of course, go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. We have a lot of new coupon matchups for the clearance event today. We do have freebies, we do have overages, all right? So as soon as I get back from Dollar General, I will be posting the visuals for you all, but I'm just going to go ahead and mention the ones that we do have clearance event coupons for, all right, coupon matchups, if that makes sense. So first up, we've got this $4.50 off one Centrum, definitely a clearance event item to go with that, so go ahead and clip it. So we've got the bounce dryer sheets, 2 off 1 for the Gain. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have another 3 off 1 Centrum coupon, so definitely go ahead and clip that one. 1 off 1 for the Colgate. These are normally priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3, plus we have instant savings. And if you guys want to go shopping today, we do have clearance event matchups for that coupon. Alright, next up, Gain, 1 off 1. These are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We also have a 3 off 1 for the Gain. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We did receive a new 4 off 1 for the Schick Intuition razors. These are priced at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl Eye. The 2-count eyeliners, they're priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate mouthwash. These are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We do have a clearance event matchup for that one. We have a new 1 off 2 for the General Mills cereals. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Gain Fabric Care. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Palmolive. These are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75, and those are included in the instant savings for when you spend $10. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register, and we do have a clearance event matchup for that coupon as well. Moving on down, 1 off 1 for the Tide. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. I'm going to pass on this 125 off 1 Centrum because that is a lower value coupon. We have a new 2 off 1 for the Eucerin. These are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75, and we do have a clearance event item that goes right along with that coupon. Alright, we're going to skip over a few of these. We have 2 off 1 for the Axe deodorants. Now, these are priced at $5.95. We have this 2 off 1 manufacturer, plus we have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon. So that's going to be paying just $2.95. However, this coupon is glitching and giving us a freebie this week. So it is working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. So it's the smaller, almost travel size ones. They're priced at $3. After both of those coupons are applied, that makes it completely free. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena. This works on the face cleanser, priced at $5.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.15. Alright, 2 off 1 for the All in Purex. We have Welch's Fruit Snacks. 50 cents off 1 for the Energizer batteries. So if you want to pick up the 2 count, they're priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. However, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the DG brand heavy duty batteries 2-pack. So you can pick up the C, the D, or the 9-volt batteries. They're priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Ever Ready AA 4-pack batteries. Those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Alright, moving on down, we have Neutrogena face wipes. These are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. And we do have a clearance event item that will go right along with that coupon. Maybelline, I just spoke about this last night, how we didn't have hardly any coupons to go along with all of those makeup items that are included in the clearance event. Now we do. Today we do. We've got CoverGirl, we've got Maybelline, we've got some really good deals. So normally, Maybelline, the lowest priced item is $6.35. It's on some mascara. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. However, like I said, we do have some clearance event items that go right along with that coupon. Alright, so go ahead and clip all of these right here. Sensodyne, we also have some on clearance right now. But normally, these are priced at $5.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Alright, next up, we've got a 3 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Elvive hair care products. So the shampoos and the conditioners. Normally, I'm like, you know what? My store hasn't carried these in forever. It wasn't showing up anything in the app, but surprisingly enough this morning, it did pop up a couple of products. So we've got the shampoo and the conditioner. These are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So basically the same matchup as we have had all weekend. We just have a new coupon, so we can go pick up some more of those L'Oreal Paris eye creams, but that is today only. Normally, these are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Like I just said, we have coupon matchups for the CoverGirl and the Maybelline for the clearance event. Normally, these are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. 1 off 1 for the Tums. If you want to pick up the 70 count berry flavored, those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Unisom. The 15 count are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Nexium Arm & Hammer. These are priced at $10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8. We also have Polydent, a 3 off 1 for the Tide. We have Folgers and Johnson & Johnson's. Now, the Johnson & Johnson's products start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 1.5 ounce kind of travel size baby powders. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're just going to pay $1.25. So that would make for a pretty good filler item. Next up, $1.50 off 1 for the Dial body wash. So these start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. However, we do have some included in the clearance event, making those pretty much free. Really awesome deal. So I'm definitely going shopping at the clearance event today again. Alright, next up, we've got Suavitel. These are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have a $3.98 off of 1 Tide Pods or the Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets. These are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.97. Not a bad deal. Next up, 25 cents off 1 for the Ajax dish liquid. We've already talked about some Ajax dish liquid this morning, so if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. So the smaller bottles, 12.4 to 14 ounces, those are priced at $1.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Alright, next up we've got a $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick products. This coupon is working on the 2 count oil refills. Now they're pretty pricey at $6.25. But if you go out shopping today, you can probably find a really good deal with this coupon because we do have some Airwick products on clearance. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Resolve products. These are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50, and we should have some items on clearance as well. Alright, next up we got $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick products. This coupon is working on the 2 count oil refills. They're pretty pricey at $6.25. However, if you go out shopping today, you could probably get a really good deal with this coupon because we do have Airwick products on clearance. Same thing with the Resolve. We do have a couple of items on clearance that will match up with that coupon. We have 1 off 4 for the Weiler's singles. 75 cents off 1 for the Band-Aid products. So if you want to pick up the 60 count Band-Aids, they're priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we have this $3.90 off 2 for the Downy scent beads. So these are priced at $6.95, picking up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 2. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal 8-pound bags. So these are priced at $9.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.25. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 6.2 pound bags. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon you're just going to pay $4.50. So not a bad deal. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Ivory deodorant. These are priced at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We have Rachel Ray soft soap, Noxema. Those are pretty pricey at $5 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. Then we also have a 2 off 2 for the Noxema as well. Systex, we have a 2 off 3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $15. So after the coupon you're going to pay $13 for 3. We have 1 off 1 for the Good and Smart almond butter. So these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. We have DG Health Allergy Relief, 3 off 1 for the Neutrogena, 50 cents off 1 for the trash bags. Some more DG Health Cold and Flu Relief, 50 cents off for the True Living bath tissue. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the Hanes socks. Those start out at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.50. Then we have the Body Armor, 4 for $5, and another DG Health Cold and Flu. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around because there are more deals to come. So if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.